I made something the other day for a YouTube short, a reel, a TikTok, whatever you want to call it. I put it on all platforms and it was just absolutely amazing. The family just devoured them. What was that, you may ask? Well, it was French toast glazed donuts, or I call them glazed donut French toast. But today I'm thinking, they were good. They really were good. But I think I can make them actually better. Yeah, that's right. We're going to take these glazed donuts French toast and step them up a whole nother level on that Blackstone Griddle. And as you can see, it don't take a whole lot to do this. And if you're looking for an amazing dessert on the Blackstone, I highly recommend this right here. So now you want to go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up. Well, because even if this is not for dessert, you can have this for breakfast. I say just cook it and eat it. That's what I say to do with it. So let's get some things prepped up while that griddle heats up, and let's get to cooking. Let's move some of this stuff here out of the way so we can get busy getting things ready. We're going to start off with bacon. Why? It's bacon. You got to have bacon. Grab us up a cutting board back here, because you can do this one of two ways. You can go ahead and pre-slice it or pre-cut it up, chop it up, whatever you want to call it, just like I am fixing to do. Or you can go ahead and cook it and then chop it up. However you want to do it is perfectly fine. Honestly, don't believe there's a wrong way to do that. But all I'm going to do is just come in here and just cut this bacon up into pieces. Don't have to be uniform, don't have to be pretty. We just want bacon pieces. Just a little bit more and have all this bacon cut up. That, I think, is going to be just enough. But is it ever just enough bacon? I mean, I don't think you can ever have too much bacon, but this is a lot of bacon for what we're going to make. But we need to go ahead and get it cooking before we do some more prep. So let's go ahead and get that bacon cooking, and we'll come back over here and finish up some prep. Come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoking. You know what that means. It's time to put some groceries down on this griddle. Let's go ahead and get this bacon going. Love hearing that sizzle. Let's get this kind of spread out here. Get it to cooking. I love the smell of bacon on a griddle. I think that's one of my top 3 smells in the whole world ever. Bacon on the Blackstone. Now that bacon is going, let's get to mixing up our batter for the French toast. It's really going to be French toast as a glazed donut? Yeah, it is. So let's start off with cracking some eggs into our dish. Now I'm going to use 5 eggs because I have a dozen donuts to do. Cut back, scale up, however you need to do it. You know how much y'all need wherever you're making this. And speaking of wherever you're making this, I really highly suggest if you're out camping or something like this, this is a great dessert, snack, whatever you want to make on the griddle at your campsite. Now we'll add in some heavy whipping cream. You can use milk, you can use a coffee creamer, whatever you want to use, that's up to you. It's all good. Some cinnamon, got to have some cinnamon. And then we need, last but not least, some vanilla flavoring. And of course, you see I'm not measuring anything. As I say, measure with your heart. That's the best way to do it sometimes. Now we'll just give this all a good mix. There we go. Looks pretty dang good right there. So we'll just take this and set this over here to the side. Now, we need to work on our donuts. So reach around here and get our cutting board out again. And obviously I didn't open the donuts. Go me. I got them open now. But you may be asking, what are we doing to the donuts? I thought we were just going to coat them. Well, we are, but we're going to do something else to them first. You're going to take them and just smash them down. You want to smash them flat, like that right there. You want them flat as can be, perfect. So let's just flatten the rest of these out. And we'll get to going over that griddle, check on that bacon, and get to making these things. Because once the prep is done, really quick cook. And one more to go. There we go. 12 donuts, that's right, I didn't eat any of them, are flattened out. Let's go check on that bacon and get ready to make these things. Come on. Well, this bacon is actually looking pretty good. It's not near done yet because I am cooking on low right now because I want that bacon fat to kind of render out. So yeah, it's got a little bit more to go before we start cooking everything else. But that's okay. Just let it cook. All right, y'all, this bacon is done. Look at all that beautiful bacon right here. So what we're gonna do is just take this up, and I think I'm gonna move it right over here. I think that's what we're gonna do is just take it up, let that grease drain off, and move it right there. Now, speaking of this grease, we need to get rid of some of it. So I'm gonna grab up my scraper right here, and we're just gonna just lightly scrape some to the back. I think that's what we're gonna do without scraping the bacon out. There we go. Leave a little bit of bacon grease down because it is now time to start making these French toast glazed donuts. But we need butter. Gotta have butter. And I'm using real butter. You can use salted, unsalted, whatever you want. I'm using just regular butter. We're gonna put a bunch down right through here. And that bacon grease. So now we're gonna have butter, bacon grease, French toast, glazed donut. Yeah, this is gonna be good. So now we're gonna take our donuts and just dip them in our batter right here and then straight on the griddle. You know these are gonna be good. Got two more to go. So we're gonna put one right there. And I think we'll just coat this last one. And we will put it right there. How's that? I mean, we got bacon, we got glazed donuts, we got French toast going. It's gonna be good, y'all, I'm telling you. Let's take this and get it out of our way. Now this is a griddle worth looking at right here. I mean, look at these donuts right here, cooking up with that French toast batter. This big old pile of bacon. Yes, sir. You know this is gonna be good. And so now that we have our tray and our batter and stuff out of the way, let's go ahead and move some of these over here so they can cook just a little bit quicker and they'll cook kind of evenly. That's what we're after. We want a good, even cook. But I'm gonna tell you right now, look at that right there. It's looking good so far. Yes, sir. It won't be long, we're gonna be eating good. All right, y'all, I think it's time to flip them. So let's just come in here and flip them. Boy, look at how pretty them are turning out right there. Yes, sir, Bob. Them look good. They're gonna be good. And there we go. We'll let that cook on that side right there for just a little bit. Then it's gonna be time to take them up. I want you to see how beautiful these right here are turning out. Man, I wish you could smell how good they smell out here right now. And this big old pile of bacon. Yes, I know. It's bacon. You got to keep looking at it. Well, it looks like everything is done. Well, done on the griddle. We've got to finish it up over there. So let's go ahead and get it off the griddle. Let's start off with this bacon. Get all this bacon up. Yes, sir. Good old crispy bacon. Now, on something like this, I 100% recommend crispy bacon. You don't want that floppy stuff. You want it crispy. We'll reach around here and grab another plate because we got to get these beautiful things here off the griddle. Oh, yeah. Look at those. Look at those. Yeah, buddy. You know this is going to be good. Now, if you need a bigger plate because you want to make more donuts, by all means, get a bigger plate. But right now, let's go over here and finish these things up. Come on. Y'all, these things, they look amazing already. Now, we got a couple more things to do. And that is going to be sprinkle some bacon on them. Yeah, I'm going to put bacon up under them. Just everywhere you can put bacon. Put that beautiful bacon all over them. That's what you want. Because, like I said earlier, can you really have too much bacon? So I'm just going to come in here, lift some up. That way, bacon gets everywhere. Now, I do recommend maybe getting a bigger plate and laying these out flat. Sprinkle bacon all over them, then pile them back up. But either way, I think this will work. Now we need to top it off with some real maple syrup. That's what we got to do. Now, how much you want is completely up to you again. But I'm going to tell you right now, this right here is a great, great way to top these off. Yes, sir. Look at that. And there they are. There they are. Glazed donut French toast topped with bacon. Y'all check these out. Man, check these out right here. These look absolutely amazing. We just got to dig into them, y'all. Come on, let's dig in. All right, y'all. I am joined by my niece, Emma, and I guess it's my great niece, Rayleigh. Because you know, when you cook something like this, people show up. Now, we've already cut her a little piece of it, and I'm going to try it out. That's too good. Mm-hmm. That bacon, the saltiness of the bacon and the sweetness of the French toast and donut. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Nuts. I got a nut. There you go. If a kid approved, it's everybody approved. That is really good, y'all. Really good. That is really, really good. You want the whole plate of it now? Yeah. You take that home? Yep. She wants to take it home. Y'all try this out. Let me know what you think. It is sweet. I'm not gonna lie.
But the bacon gives it like.
The bacon kind of does even it out. Now I made it before I didn't put the bacon on it. So yeah, the bacon does level it out a little bit. But it's delicious. You better make a bunch of these because if you make these at your campsite or wherever, they're gonna go quick. But with that, I got more people over here to feed. Well, she might take them home. I don't know what. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, share it out. If you didn't, thumbs down twice. I really appreciate all the support, and we'll see you next time.